I got asked today, have I tested the overcurrent protection in the Kings? Now, the answer is I haven't. So the BMS is a 100. So I would presume it will go off around 100, I would think. So I've got a load bank here and I'll flick it on. All right, pretty mild, 136. Got a camera here to have a bit of a look, see if anything's getting hot. Straight away, I think you can see the FETs are starting to get warm, which is probably what you'd expect. But no trip. Let's go up again. Oh, this is a little bit scary. 155. Getting hot, but no trip. Okay, we'll go up again. This is feeling particularly scary. 174. So this is the most I can do on this load bank. And I'm not seeing any sign of protection. I'm standing back a little bit because I'm feeling a little bit scared about what is going to happen next. So I don't know if you'd call this a pass or a fail, sort of a test. Personally, I kind of think it's a fail. If it doesn't protect at 100, something's going to fail. This worries me a lot. Still no trip. I think I need more load. Yep. I'm going to find more load. Stay tuned.